Alright, so we're going to try to do this live. A client just called me. They received this prompt on their computer, and it kept talking, like saying, oh, please contact Windows support at this number to unlock and so forth. So I was able to take this screenshot first. So let's see if I can get this recovered. Let me save this somewhere. There's something there. Alright, so here's the computer I remote into. This is her account, so let's hit this one. It's not doing it now. Let me get out of this. Hey, what's Kathy's computer's password? My gosh, she's still using that? Mama, can you come over here and type her password?
One sec.
Can I get a fork with that?
Your computer has been locked up. Your IP address was used without your knowledge or consent to visit websites that contains identity theft virus. To unlock the computer, please call support immediately.
So you don't need
Please
to do that?
not attempt to shut down or restart your computer.
So the
Doing
message
that may
keeps
lead to data
repeating and
loss identity
repeating.
theft.
So if
The
you
computer lock is aimed
try
stop
to
illegal
close
activity.
things, it doesn't let you
Please
to.
call our support immediately.
So what you do is you go
Important security message.
on a Mac,
Your computer has been
it's
locked
full
up.
screen. So if you
Your IP
shrink
address
this
was
down,
used without your knowledge or consent
it's
to
because
visit
you're going to this
websites that
specific
contains
website.
Identity theft virus. To unlock the computer, please
So
call
that's-
support immediately.
So
Please
to
do
get
not
rid of
attempt to
this,
shut down or restart your computer. Doing that may lead to data loss and identity theft. The computer lock is aimed to stop illegal activity. Please call our
so you
support
close,
immediately.
so you're sure, you'll leave, and it's gone. So you'll have your computer back. Now to revalidate to make sure you are good, quit, open again. Normally it reverts to that, but what you have to do here is that you're going to have to go to clear history, all history, clear history, so that specific website doesn't come back and haunt you. Do that, and then just in case you want to go to your preferences. You want to make sure that your default startup page, see, so it's for some reason it's doing that. So what we do here is Control A, delete, and we put in my page. So open save files after downloading, that's fine. And even having Norton 360, it's not even, it's supposed to do like all this other stuff, but it's not even blocking anything. Even though this is just a website, it's not an actual install anywhere. And if you wanted to, just to make sure, is whatever DMG file like here, she has this AnyDesk. I should really need that. These quizzes are. Alright, she's all good. If we open this up, Norton's not blocking any of this website. Well, it was just a website. Probably have it with an SSL certificate or something, just to say we're all good. I scanned 2 minutes ago.